Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we are replacing the spool and line on a Flymo grass trimmer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. If your grass trimmer has stopped cutting the grass, then it is likely the line is run out or the spool has broken and will need to be replaced. Turn the trimmer over and start by taking the spool cover off. There are two clips on either side that locate into the housing to make sure it is secure. Apply pressure on the clips on both sides to release the spool cover. Lift the spool and line out and pull the line out of the slots on both sides of the spool holder. Fit the new spool and line, place it into position and feed the line through the slots. Push the spool cover back on. And there we have it, the spool and line replaced on a Flymo grass trimmer. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.